If you have mature skin and you're curious about the TirTir Cushion Foundation, watch this video. You may be surprised. I've seen this everywhere and I gotta try it for myself. I wanted to be able to tell you, does this work like I've seen it? So when you open it up, you've got a nice mirror. It's a little bit messy to start with. And when I saw other people work with it, they tap it in here first and then they tap the excess off here on this side. Let's see. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Yikes. I don't know if this is the right color. It's hard to tell because it's really, like it's a full coverage. Let me take my BK Beauty 106 and buff it in. I like to see a little bit of my skin coming through. Usually like a medium coverage. There, that settled down. Whew. I would never wear it that heavy. That works. I'm very red here. That's just the way I've been lately. They say you can use it as a concealer, so let's try it. Just a tiny bit. So everybody's saying that this lasts for a long time. That's better, I got a good match. Looking closely at my nose, I can see it kind of landing in my pores. Let's see if I can fix that. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that right in there. So I can really see it on my nose. Everything else kind of looks okay. No, it is settling into these creases too. I don't like that at all, guys. That's not how my skin normally looks after I put a foundation on. Let me see if yeah, and that's too much. I don't want that much. Can we not have a happy medium? I hope that you can see that. Oh, really? Like we either have all or none? No, guys, no. Everybody's raving about this. Why? It should not be this difficult. And it's not grabbing onto my nose. I don't have a difficult nose. I'm gonna take it off on one side and compare it to a foundation that I know works well. This side of my forehead is worse. Let me take this off here. By the way, I had just prepped my skin with Tacha water cream. Maybe they don't mesh well together. I'll use the same thing. I don't normally have a problem with it, with any other foundations that I use. I'm gonna use my Studio Fix foundation. This is the new formula. Let's try this. All right, let's give this a go. I feel like this is a good comparison because they're both full coverage and they're both long wear. That looks good. Much better. I can see all my pores on this side and this side is good. And I really didn't even focus there. Let's see if I want to cover that more. Same skin prep. Yeah, I'm not liking what I see there. And I'm not liking what I see there. And this to me looks good. I hope you can see what I can see. Same with any texture in here compared to here. Oh, I hope you can see that. This side looks so much better. Yeah, I can see my pores in here. This isn't covering well. I'm gonna do some eye makeup, let it sit, and we'll check back. It should only take me a few minutes because I'm not gonna do much. All right, so it has been exactly 11 minutes to do the rest of my face. And looking at it right now, this side feels good. This side feels more textured to me for sure. Both like in through here. I hope you can see that compared to here, and I haven't powdered yet. Let me see if I can salvage it with some powder. I'm gonna use the Physicians formula. Just tap it on the back of my hand to make sure that I don't have too much on. Nice, that looks great, but I don't think it needed much. Now this side needs a lot of help. All right, so I feel like this actually grabbed more with the powder. Adhering Cushion Foundation keeps makeup fresh with lightweight powder skincare substance. I didn't get the lightweight powder substance because I really had to powder that. Now, to me, this looks like it's really grabbed the powder. Maybe I put too much. And let's check out this area on my forehead. Like, I feel like, I don't know, I had to work that out a little bit. Yeah, and that's just not grabbing on my nose. I'm taking it all off. Well, that's a look. I'm gonna go with the foundation that I know I love. Let's see if it sticks to my nose. Yeah, that's better. The other formula is too thin. It's thin like that, it seeps right into my pores and it sits there. But if it's a little bit creamier, it helps. But yet I can use a serum foundation. It's just an odd texture for my skin. I'm not saying it won't work for other people, and the other people that are showing it, it probably works for them, but it definitely didn't work for me. With the MAC Studio Fix, I don't even feel like I need to powder. Like I would, but I don't feel like I have to. I hope you can see the difference. I hope this helps, and I'll see you later. Bye.